Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Chef by Convex. So this is like a V0 Bolt lovable alternative. So it's a AI website builder, but I think this is like one of the best AI website builder because it has a fully functioning backend, like your tables, functions, backend functions, and storage. I know Lovable has that also with the integration with Superbase, but this is even better because Convex is like full scale backend uh, framework or like website. So they have like a full Superbase like website for that. So they know or they can create any backend that you want, right? So using that, we can just create like full stack app in like one prompt. You don't have to create any Superbase instance. You don't have to link to any storage. It just creates something with just one prompt. So let me show you what I built. So I built this some app called Office Days to track how many days me and my colleagues went to office. And yeah, so I opened ChatGPT first. I recited what I want to it and asked it to give me a PRD. So I just told my idea to that, and it gave me this PRD. So it has a product name overview, all the features with user applications, status tracking, commute logging, everything, and functional requirements, data model even, and limit and rules, everything. So I just gave this as a prompt. I just copy pasted this from ChatGPT, and I gave this as the only prompt. And the first result itself is like a working prototype of authentication functions, backend functions, tables, everything. So everything is set up because they already have a database. They are a database company, they are a backend functions company, so they already have everything set up, and it just gave me something at the first try. So I don't have to go in and change it. Just auto corrected its flaws, and it just gave me a working app like in the first try. Everything else from there is just cosmetic changes, right? So this is why I like Convex more than any other AI website builders, because of this database section. So all the other website builders has the code, has a preview, but this has a database section in which we can see all the tables that are there. So every user that are signed in, all the attendance record, everything. So, and if you go to functions, it has all the backend functions that are used. So it has the code, it has all the backend functions. I didn't write any of this, but it just created with the one prompt that I have. And even if I have any uploaded files, it will show here. So yeah, so it's just one shot at it. I didn't have to do anything. So if you want something with full working backend, you don't have to integrate any Superbase. You don't need to integrate any separate storage functions. You just want something that just works in one prompt with a full scale app. You can just use Chef by Convex, and it can even deploy to a URL. And yeah, this is like my favorite website builder right now. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.